Hello world, I hope you all are safe and doing well. My name is Manbir, I'm a GitHub campus expert and a Microsoft student partner. It's an honor to present at MLH HackCon this year. The title of my talk is Shipping Impactful Developer Experiences 101. So I'll start off with the question, what is a community according to you? Bring together people, purpose and empathy, and there you have a community. How to build and scale developer communities. You may start with an online-only community first and then later plan out in-person engagements once people start getting familiar with each other. You can use platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Discord, Slack, etc. To teach, one has to learn, and to learn better, one has to teach. Find people with skills and help them inject those skills into others. Try to create some value through your community. Divide the online workspace into channels for different technologies if possible, and post relevant content and opportunities there. Until we get to meet in person, harness the power of those platforms and stay connected like always. Hold frequent meetups on different technologies whenever possible. Encourage people to ask all sorts of questions. No question is silly enough not to be asked, and they should not be hesitant to communicate. This one's my favorite. Develop a by the developers, for the developers, and with the developers philosophy. Empower people to volunteer. Don't just build a team, don't just build a community, but build a family. Whether it is a blog post, tutorial, article, project, etc., help people grow their individual initiatives through your community. Communities are not just about place, but about building worthwhile experience. Yes, anyone can be a community manager, and when anyone can be, no one has to be. Now, how to create value through your communities? Encourage people to Google stuff. It saves us a lot of time. Now, some questions need to be answered with emotions, and for them, humans are the best. For factual queries, Google is the best. Encourage people to ask or post questions publicly instead of privately or through direct message, as others may also face something similar in the future, so it could benefit them. It's totally fine if people want to build something for fun, but people feel really good when they create some value. So, empower people to solve more real-world problems through hackathons. Provide constructive feedback instead of just a feedback. Don't just tell people their shortcomings, but tell them how they can improve. Organize a session where people share major takeaways after a hackathon. You never know how much you can inspire someone for the next hackathon. Always remember, success belongs to those who make others dream. Developing an empathy for developers. While sympathy is being nice to people, empathy is trying to be in the shoes of others to better understand what they're going through, to understand the situation as your own. Every community, no matter tech or non-tech, should have a code of conduct. So build a code of conduct stating what type of behavior in a community is welcome and what is absolutely not. Label food based on type concerning ingredients such as gluten, sugar, milk products, etc. And survey attendees on dietary restrictions. This is so important. If you don't intentionally include people, you tend to unintentionally exclude them. Inclusion is extremely important for any community and is also a foundational pillar for diversity. If you are excluding someone, just imagine how you would feel if you were at their place. Hackathons are not equally exhausting for attendees as they are to organizers. So be nice not only to your fellow organizers or community managers, but to everyone. Now, as Dory says in Finding Nemo,
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills. When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dory, I'm sailing.
Dory. I love to swimming.
Dory.
When you want to swim, you want
See,
to
I'm gonna
keep
get stuck now with that song. Now it's in my head.
Sorry.
that goes well during these times in the pandemic as well as with communities. And by just keep swimming, what I mean to say is encourage people to do more, to speak more, to participate and contribute actively. because a community is not a one-person show, it's a collective effort. And now, here's one of my original quotes that comes from my LinkedIn bio. If we can do so much individually, what we can achieve together as a community is something that is totally beyond imagination. That being said, I hope you enjoyed my talk. Thank you for joining. If you'd like to connect, here you can see my handle on your screen. Thank you.